Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 2nd of May. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director of Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have IGO, Ramelius Resources, Boss Energy, Catalyst Metals and Jupiter Mines. So if you have a request, please send it through. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter, but our best stock tips come out on Tuesday in the Dynamic Investor Report, so please ensure you are getting that report. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is in portfolio management, so if you'd like to get my help in managing your portfolio, please give me a call, and all the advice here is general only. So we've got the daily chart here of IGO. As we could see since the start of the year, share price has been levelling out and the range has also been tightening up, which is a positive. So we could see the tightening up there. And also what we now have is what seems like an upside break. So a bit of volume with that move a couple of days ago, sort of breaking higher. So this may well, not only does it look like it's sort of formed a low and a bit of a, sort of a small base, it does look like it's starting to get moving again. Nearby resistance, of course, would just be the top here at $9. So that would be the first hurdle to overcome, and then we could see what it can do from there. Okay, Ramelius. So we've looked at this one in the Dynamic Investor Report. It's been trading very well. We've got sort of rallies, consolidations, followed by nice rallies again. Consolidation, nice rally. At the moment, it does look like it's sort of hitting a bit of resistance, just going to consolidate again. I mean, are we just going to get a little consolidation and then it's going to rally higher? It's too early to say. We're going to get a big consolidation like this, but if we pull out to the weekly, we could see, once obviously this consolidation is over and it resumes the uptrend, you'd be looking at a retest of that old high. Okay, Boss Energy. Again, I've covered this a few times over the past year, I think on these videos as well as the Dynamic Investor, of course. So we had this consolidation here and then the upside break retest and further rallies. So a few buy signals along the way, consolidation, another upside break and a rally. So it's been trading very well, of course. Most recently on the daily chart, we've got a situation where it fell, headed sideways for a bit, looked like there was a bit of support around this sort of 450 level, gave us what now looks like a false break. So it looks like it was breaking down only to quickly reverse, and now we could see it ripping higher. So, you get that with these false breaks, and ultimately what you'd expect is a run back up towards these levels. It should hit a bit of resistance near $6, and if it can overcome that, which I think it will, looking at the long-term performance, you'd be looking at new highs. Okay, Catalyst Metals. So look, it's had obviously a bit of a good run here recently. So it's running up towards the recent high. So not really one that you could be jumping into here, given it's getting very close to resistance. You'd have to run a bit of a trailing stop. At the moment, if we just move to the weekly chart, we can see overall it's still in a downtrend. So look, at best it sort of consolidates here, and that gives it another chance to break through this recent high and make further progress. Okay, and Jupiter Mines, obviously it's done really well recently. If we have a look at the daily chart, we can see there's been very good volumes on the way up, so that's obviously a positive, very well supportive of the stock. Hard to pinpoint, again with this one, where's your buy point? It has run pretty hard. It'd be better to see a proper consolidation, even something like this, to help you get set. So I think at the moment, again, you just run a bit of a trailing stop and you know, if you're looking for an entry point, look for some sort of consolidation like this. Okay, well that's all for this week. So if you have a request, send it through and we'll try to cover it next week for you.